Host, I request you to. Yeah, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Highs Placements and Highs Digital Academy. So today we are here for the demo class of Salesforce, which is conducted by Highs Placement and Highs Digital Academy. So this is a training and placement program, and it is for 3 months. We are charging only 300 rupees for this 3 months. In this 3 months, we give training on the domains that you select. Also, we give job assistance as well as intern certification. So in this 3 months, you will get IT domains trained on data science, which is based on Python, PHP plus Android, AngularJS and Node.js, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, Java, testing, which is both automation and Selenium, WordPress plus digital marketing, spoken English plus MS Office and MS Excel, interview skills and communication skills. So these sessions are for 2 hours and these are completely through online. In those 2 hours, 1.5 hours goes for the technical training and the other half an hour for communication skills training. So these sessions are like given by trainers who are almost 10 plus years of experience in the market industry. So you can just avail the benefits from the trainer. Whatever queries you have, they clear out very clearability. So we have 2 batches, morning batch and evening batch. Morning batch, the timings would be around from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. any 2 hours, and evening batch it would be from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. any 2 hours. So these timings are like feasible to everybody, every category, home workers or students, those who are working. So these timings are feasible to everyone. So as I already told you, we in this session, like in this training, we give training apart from the training on the domains, we give job assistance too, as well as intern certification. As HICE has been tagged with top 150 plus MNC companies, if you are just registered with the HICE, your profile will be into this HICE group, and then your profiles will be presented in the interviews, like you'll be pushed into the interviews whenever there is an opening in the MNC company. So these MNC companies almost provide 3 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. So guys, I request everyone to share these details with your friends network and with your classmates or batchmates, whoever it is possible. So everybody, like whoever wants to get trained and avail these benefits, they are free to get these get these benefits from them. So for this session, I request everybody to be on mute so that trainer don't get distracted. Also write down your queries or doubts, whatever you have in the chat box, so that at the end of the session, the trainer would answer everyone. Okay. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce HICE. I request Subho to take up this session now. Subho, are you there? You're on mute.
Yeah, hi everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible now.
Yeah. I hope everyone is doing well. And just a small request that whoever is not speaking, just go into mute. So this is our Salesforce training demo session. So my name is Shubho. So currently I'm working for an MNC and I'm providing training for the last 4 years, and I do have almost close to 8 years experience in the overall Salesforce. And uh, this is my brief introduction. I'm sharing my screen, and as of now, if it is visible, just let me know. Is it
Yes.
visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. So Salesforce is a CRM tool or CRM platform, basically customer relationship management. Okay. CRM means customer relationship management. What does exactly it means? Basically, building up the relation between customer and the business. Suppose you are buying a product from Samsung and you are the customer. So Samsung will always try to build the relationship relationship between Samsung and you, okay, to get many references or get more business from you or your friends. Okay, that is the relationship we are trying to build up, always business with the customer. And for building up this business, this relationship, Salesforce, a tool they are using. Okay, previously Oracle was doing monopoly in the CRM. Okay, after 2008 or 9 when Salesforce comes into the market, so they have built their product a lot, and then now basically they are doing monopoly in this business. CRM product and Salesforce, what is the advantages of Salesforce? Why we will use the Salesforce? Because their job availability. Okay. So right now, in 2020, when pandemic hits hard, that time Salesforce just produced 2.5 out of the 10 base jobs. That means in the overall world jobs or jobs market, 25% base job Salesforce is providing currently. When the just keep it in mind, when pandemic hits hard, okay, world has been affected, still they are providing lot of jobs, and they have introduced a new program who are starting with Salesforce newly. So that is the journey to Salesforce. Okay, where they have created new groups and they are posting job requirements in everywhere, in every location. They have created new groups like Journey to Salesforce Mumbai, Journey to Salesforce Bangalore, Journey to Salesforce Kolkata, and they have posted jobs from the Kolkata side, from Mumbai side, from the Hyderabad side. How they build up their business. So this is the way they have built up in during the pandemic as well. Okay. Salesforce does different thread for working. Okay. Salesforce administration, the person who doesn't love coding, okay, but he or she want to work on the Salesforce because of the administration, because of the configuration, because of this tool. So he can start with the administration part. Then that is coming to the Salesforce developer. A person who knows Salesforce administration, he can start with the Salesforce developer program only. Okay. To be a Salesforce consultant, so Salesforce has different products. Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Health Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Vaccination Cloud they have introduced as well. So for being a Salesforce consultant, you have to understand or you have to be expertise on the any of the 2 or 3 products. And before that, you have to know Salesforce admin and the development part. So let me tell you, for the Salesforce development part, or if you want to be a Salesforce developer, you want to learn or you need to learn some of the coding. Okay, that is Apex, Visual Postfix, Lightning, JavaScript, web services as well. Okay, so this is the basic of Salesforce development part. Don't be scared, okay? Because if you're not coming from the IT background, if you're coming from a normal BSc background or like that, so there in this course there will be a 2 days OOPS concept course, okay, where you will able to learn the some of the Java, which is going to be utilized in the Apex, which is backbone of Salesforce development. There is also the Lightning part, which is currently job boom right now in the market. So for the Lightning part, I can say we will introduce a 1 day or 2 day course for the JavaScript as well. Okay, then you can start with the Lightning part. Okay, so I will encourage everyone who is starting to Salesforce, who is new in IT. So everyone can take this program or can take this training, and that is going to help you for the job, because job market of the Salesforce is there is no question about it in all over the world, in India as well. So being a Salesforce technical architect, that's a that's another thread. So you have to know Salesforce administration, developer, and the consultant part, as well as you have to be a 10+ years of experience in overall Salesforce. Okay. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
If there is any question, just let me know. Okay. So after completion of the course, I will suggest you to go for the at least 2 certification. Okay, admin and the development. For the administration, there is admin 201 or administration. For the development, platform developer 1. Okay, there is another certification which is good to go or good to complete after the administration and the platform developer 1. That is platform app builder. Okay, there is a basically bridge of admin and the platform developer 1. There are few questions coming from the admin, few questions coming from the platform developer 1. There is mixture of that, and that is platform app builder. Okay. And keep it in mind that if you are writing any kind of or giving any kind of logo of any kind of Salesforce certification, that will be added advantage anyhow. Okay. Any of the company will check what is the exact what are the certification you have right now. Admin development, it's well and good. Admin is good as well. Okay. Now coming to the base. Okay. So because of this, so I'm going to give you a who is coming new in this platform. I'm going to give you a proper example, a real-time example, which is going to help you that how Salesforce is getting used in our day-to-day scenario. Okay. Suppose you are just roaming around after the office, you are just roaming around in front of your office. Okay. Now, a person is providing leaflet of KFC. Okay. He is providing some of the leaflets. Okay. If you are taking that particular leaflet, so what has been mentioned that they have opened a new outlet within their territory or within your office territory. Okay. So they are taking the product, they are taking the order from them and they are providing 50% discount as of now because they have opened new. Okay. Now, whenever you are taking the particular leaflet, okay, there is a chance you might be interested or might not be interested on the product. So that time you are becoming a lead to them for the business. Okay. There is a chance that there might be a business with you from KFC's end, there might not be. Okay. Now, I'll provide this question answer. I will provide later. Okay. So there might be a chance that there might be a business with KFCs or there might not be. Okay. Now you have taken the leaflet and you went back to home. Okay. And then you are thinking, okay, let's try with that. They are providing 50% discount on that particular product. Let's try with chicken burger. Now you called them. You called KFC. Okay. And keep it in mind, KFC using Salesforce platform in their application. Okay, Salesforce application. Now you call them for the chicken burger. Okay, now whenever they are taking your call, okay, that time they are thinking you are now opportunity to them to sell the product. Lead becomes opportunity. Okay, for selling the product because you have called them, you are interested, that's why you have called them. No one has forced you. So that time lead becomes opportunity. Okay. Now, after picking up your call, you will ask some of the products. Okay. You will provide it some of the orders. Okay. And you mention that I want to that, and you check that whether the discount is going on in this product or not. So they have confirmed. Now you are going to provide the orders. Whenever you are providing the orders, they will take your contact details and they will create another account in their Salesforce application. Okay. Why? Why they are creating the contacts and accounts? So contacts they are creating because they will serve the product at your home. They need your phone number, contact number, they need your first name, last name, they need your contact address in details. Okay. Why they are creating account? That is I'm coming to the later point. A later point. But once you have ordered, they have taken your contact address, they have started to prepare their food, and now the delivery guy will call you in front of your home and ask to take that particular product. Okay. You think I have taken the product, my business is over with the KFC, but KFC doesn't think in that way. KFC is thinking in a different way, how to get more orders from you, okay, and how to get the references that you will tell some of your friends and colleagues, they will provide some of the orders, and that is the KFC's benefit. Or KFC gets benefit from them. Okay. Now, first of all, they have created one account with your name. Okay. Now, suppose you have given on the next 2 months, you have given 6 times or 7 times you have given the order. Okay. So sometimes you have given chicken burger, sometimes you have given the different foods. Okay. Now, for the last 1.5 months, you are not providing any orders because of some your stomach pain or like that. You are not providing any of the orders. Okay. Now, KFC, that particular outlet's manager, they have checked or he has checked for the last 2 months, he is not getting as much as response he is getting previously. Okay, so their margin of the benefit is little bit lesser right now. Okay, now they are not getting that much of response. Okay, now if you can remember, whenever they have created your contact and as well as account, so last whatever times you have given the 6 or 7 times orders, that has been noted under your account. Okay, every time what is the product you have ordered, what is the cost, and when you have ordered. Okay, every time you have ordered, and that has been noted in their Salesforce application. Okay, now they have find out, our KFC's manager is trying to find out that who is the regular customer was there, now not providing from the 1 month any providing any order, and they have found out your name. Okay, whenever they have found out, they will check that which one is your preferable food, because out of the 7 times you have provided 3 times chicken burger, so they can easily understand chicken burger is your favorite food. Okay, now what he will do, he will send an SMS, he will send a SMS to you with 40% discount on chicken burger. Okay, will 40% discount on chicken burger particularly. Now you got the particular SMS. How do they send the SMS? Because they have your contact number already. They have your contact number, contact address, because they have created the contact. They have created the contact with your name previously. Now they are sending one SMS with 40% discount on chicken burger. Once you get that particular SMS, that time you think, okay, let's go for it again, because it is quite cheap. 40% discount has been provided. Now again you have called them, you have ordered the particular product. Again the business is getting grow, and business is now again the relationship has been built with KFC and you. Okay, which has been stopped for last 1.5 months or 1 month because of some of the reason. This is the way they are selling their product. That's why they are utilized Sales Cloud. They are selling the product here. Okay, any question? Any question from anyone? Or is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I'm giving another real-time scenario. This is for the service part, okay? For the Service Cloud part. So suppose you bought an AC, okay, from Samsung. Okay, there is a 1-year warranty, and you have bought an AC before 1 year ago or 2 years ago. Okay, so whenever you have bought an AC, they will always poke you, or Samsung will always poke you for extended warranty. Okay, you can take, you or you can take or you can't take. There is a 2 options. Okay, suppose that time you don't agree with them, so that's why you didn't take the particular extended warranty. Okay, so after 3 years, you are facing some cooling issue with your AC. Okay, and that is warranty is already over for that. Now there is a toll-free number of Samsung. Okay, and you called them. So whenever you call them, a customer service executive will receive your call. Okay, and they will take all the details, whatever you are facing, whatever your issue, whatever is your issue, he or she will write down in their Salesforce application. Okay, and they will raise one new case with your name and your details. Okay, and the status will be open for that particular case because they have just opened a new case. Okay, now that particular case will be assigned to someone who is their service technician. Okay, and near in your service territory or in your area. Okay, because the person who is working in your area, he will get that particular case to resolve that. Okay, once you are getting once the service technician will get that particular case, he will check details of you, your contact number, your contact address, and he will call you, and for taking the appointment, you are given a particular time. In that at that time, the service technician will come to your home, and they will check your AC and they will tell you this some of the parts is not working, okay, and there is some gas issue with the AC, okay, some of the gas issue with the AC. Now they will provide one particular estimation that this might be and the service charge will be taken care by them because that is already warranty is already over. That's why. Okay. Now once you are agreeing with the particular estimation, they will provide a particular estimation. Okay. Because of your parts, your gas issue, whatever you are facing. So to refill your gas, to replace your parts, and with the service charges, they will provide the correct estimation to you. If you are agreeing with that, you will tell them, okay, you can go ahead. Otherwise, you can stop there. Okay. Once you are telling them to go ahead, the case will be changed to open to in progress by customer service executive. A service technician will start the work that will be changed the status to open to in progress. Okay. So customer service executive will stop that issue and they will call against, service technician will solve that issue and they will again call your customer service executive to close the case. But customer service executive will not close the case at that time. They will call the customer or you, and if you are confirming, then they will close that particular case. In between that, they will generate one invoice and you have to provide that particular charges. Okay. This is how Service Cloud working here in Salesforce. Okay. They have introduced lots of product. Sales service I'm telling already. I told you already. So there are marketing cloud, there are community cloud, there is commerce cloud, e-commerce, you know, Flipkart, Amazon. There is health cloud. Health cloud is very much important nowadays for the doctors and patient records for the management part. They are using the health cloud. Vaccination cloud, providing the getting the management of the whoever is getting first dose or whoever already getting both of the doses. Okay, whoever yet to get any kind of vaccine dose, they have introduced the vaccination cloud, which is currently using by Ireland government. Okay, and they are very much satisfied with this product. So Salesforce is providing this kind of product to each and every company, each and every for the CRM purpose. Okay. Marketing cloud, you are here, you have Gmail, you got daily mails, unwanted mails that is coming from the mass emails, that is also coming from the Salesforce marketing cloud, but that's a totally different thread. Okay. Digital marketing, suppose you are searching for a product in your in Flipkart or Amazon. Now after searching, you are not satisfied with that product, so you didn't buy that product, but you come to social networking site and you are surfing your social networking site. That time you might get that similar kind of product as an advertisement in your Facebook or in your LinkedIn or in your any other social networking site. That is coming to the digital marketing. So they are providing sales, service, community, e-commerce, health cloud, vaccination cloud, all these products. Okay. Any confusion? Anything? Okay. Now there is an advantage of using Salesforce or learning Salesforce. Salesforce will provide a free org to everyone. Okay, totally free org to everyone. If you are having your Gmail ID or Gmail or any kind of personal email ID, so you can use Salesforce, and this is your personal org you can use. Okay, let me show you that particular personal org where you can sign up. You have to fill up this form. Okay, then you will get a kind of Salesforce application here where you can start working or you can start learning. Okay, this is the application form you have to fill. Then you can start learning or working in this kind of application. Everyone will get similar kind of application for a free. Okay, and lifetime free this is. courses. So I know, I think that you guys have the course content already. So Manish, everyone is having course content, right?
Yes, yes. No, as of now, we have not shared. By end of the day, we are going to share all the contents in one file to all the students.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
So
we'll share it by end.
okay, so you will get the course content, and with the course content in each and every session, I will provide some of the documents, which is going to help you. Whatever you have learned today, you can study and you can start working on that. Okay, I will provide some of the documents for the each and every course content.
Okay, done. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for your valuable time and valuable demo class. And I hope everyone are very interesting to start this, join this section. So I request Yogeshwari to give the once again brief regarding the HICE Academy and regarding the placements and the everything. So, and in the chat box, we are just mentioning the message regarding the HICE Academy program. So friends who are interested to join, whoever not yet joined, kindly you can join this section, and you can share with your friends who are really interested to join in training courses and to learn. This is 3 months section. Okay. Yogeshwari, kindly go ahead.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Subhash sir. It was really
Thank
a
you.
great session.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. So, guys, this is your demo session on Salesforce. It's from HICE Placements and HICE Digital Academy. This is a training and placement program, which is for 3 months, and we charge only 300 rupees for this whole program. So under this 300 rupees for 3 months, you get the training on this demos, whatever you select, IT domains, whatever you select. And also we give you job assistance as well as intern certification also. So in this 3 months, we have the IT domains like data science, Python, PHP, Android, AngularJS and Node.js, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, Java, testing, both automation and Cilium, WordPress plus digital marketing, spoken English plus MS Office and MS Excel, interview skills and communication skills. So guys, these sessions are for 2 hours completely. In those 2 hours, 1.5 hours goes for your technical training part and the other half an hour on communication skills. These sessions are completely through online, and these are like given by the trainers who have almost 10 plus years of experience in the market industry, IT market industry. So like you can get the 100% query clarifications or whatever you need on respect to the domain, you can get clarified from these trainers. We have 2 batches, morning batch and evening batch. In the morning batch, the timings are from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., any 2 hours. And evening batch, it will be from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., any 2 hours. So these timings are like feasible to all the categories of either can be homemaker or students or working employees or what. So all this category can get this feasibility on this timings. As I already told you, we provide internship as well as training along with job assistance. So coming to the job assistance part, HICE has been tagged with almost top 150 plus MNC companies. All these companies pay around 3 to 8 lakhs per annum. So you can, when you just registered with HICE, once your profile is into HICE, you will be given an opportunity to attend the interviews in these MNC companies whenever there are openings. So guys, please share these details with all your friends and your network so that everyone can get these benefits from their end. Yeah, thank you so much for attending this session. If you have any queries, you can just drop out in the chat box or you can speak now. Host, I request you to please stop the recording.